Hello everyone, welcome to the Online Paatashala. Today we are going to learn about the different types of hybridization. In the previous session we have learned about what are the salient features, what is meant by actually hybridization means. Okay, now we will be learning about the different types of hybridization. The first type of hybridization is sp hybridization. sp hybridization. What is meant by sp hybridization? Whenever if they ask about this sp hybridization, you need to write first of all the definition. What is the definition? The intermixing of one s orbital and one p orbital combines and forms 2sp hybridization. Okay, one s orbital, one p orbital combines to form hybridize and they give 2sp hybrid orbitals, not sorry, hybrid, 2sp hybrid orbitals. Okay, let's see. One s orbital, this is one s orbital plus, and one p orbital. What is the shape of p orbital? Dumbbell. What is the shape of s orbital? Spherical. Okay, this one s orbital and one p orbital combines to form sp hybridization. This you will be calling it as sigma sp p overlapping. Okay, now we will see by taking an example. Okay, the best example for explaining sp hybridization is BeCl2. Example, BeCl2. Now, beryllium. What is the atomic number of beryllium? 4. Okay. What is the electronic configuration? 1s2, 2s2. Okay. We will write it in the form of orbitals. Here 2 electrons. Right. We are talking about sp hybridization. That means one s orbital should be present and another one p orbital also should be present. Now, this is the ground state. Here s orbital is present but there is no p orbital. By applying energy, okay, first excited state, this is 1s, this is 2s, this is 1s, this is 2s and this is 2p. Okay, this in this you are having 2 electrons, right? In this 2 electrons, one electron gets excited. What? It gets excited and it goes to 2p. In this 2p, this is px, this is py and this is pz. Okay. Now, one s orbital and one p orbital forms sp hybridization. In beryllium, one s orbital and one p orbital combines with how many chlorines here? Chlorine. What is the atomic number? 17. What is the electronic configuration? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. Right? In the form of orbitals. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Right? This one orbital of one chlorine atom gets hybridized with beryllium and that means here one chlorine atom is having unfilled electron, right? This orbital will be overlapped with one s orbital and another chlorine, this is pz, another chlorine of 3pz one orbit will be overlapped with this px orbital. That means one chlorine of, that is 3pz1, will be overlapped with s orbital, and another chlorine 3pz of one electron will be overlapped with another p orbital and forms sigma spp hybridization. What? Sigma spp hybridization. Now, how it is forming, I'll show you. Here, one s orbital, right? This is beryllium, for beryllium, and one p orbital, right? And one p orbital forms sp hybridization. This is sigma sp p hybridization. For beryllium, how it will be? The shape is, the shape of sp hybridization is linear. What? The shape of sp hybridization is linear. Linear means what? It will be in a straight line. It will be in a straight form. Bond angle, that is 180 degrees. What is the bond angle for the straight line? It is 180 degrees. And now we'll see what is S character. How much is the S character and how much is P character? Okay, in a rough way, think SP. Okay, think SP is 100%. It is showing. Okay, both SP is showing 100%. In this you are having one S and one P. That means you are having each parts, right? When you combine, it is having two parts. That means 2, if it is having 100%, each will be having 50%, right? In the same way, S character is 50%, P character is 50%. Whenever in the examination you get for this 2 marks or else like 4 marks, first and foremost thing you need to do is, first you need to write the definition. What is sp hybridization? Okay, and after that, what is its shape? It is linear. What is its bond angle? That is 180 degrees. What is its S character? 50%. P character 50%. And next, how is the hybridization showing? One s orbital and one p orbital combines to form two sp hybrid orbitals. And next, take an example and draw in the form of orbitals. Okay, and finally, how the shape it will be getting, BeCl2. How the shape it will be? BeCl2. This is the shape. The bond angle between this is 180 degrees. Okay, this is what about sp hybridization. And next, about sp2 hybridization we will be learning in the next session. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to the Online Paatashala.